Welcome to the Netherlands, a country of charming canals, historic cities, windmills, and endless fields of colorful flowers. In this journey, we explore the beauty of Amsterdam and then travel to one of the world's most spectacular spring destinations, Keukenhof Gardens, the famous garden of Europe. Amsterdam, the capital city of the Netherlands, is a place where history, culture, and modern life come together beautifully. Known as the Venice of the North, Amsterdam is famous for its beautiful network of canals that were built during the Dutch Golden Age in the 17th century. These waterways are surrounded by narrow, colorful houses, historic bridges, and charming streets that make the city one of the most unique destinations in Europe. One of the best ways to experience Amsterdam is by walking along the canals or taking a relaxing boat cruise. From the water, visitors can see the city from a completely different perspective, passing under old bridges and admiring centuries-old architecture. Beyond museums, Amsterdam has a unique atmosphere. The city is filled with bicycles, cozy cafes, flower markets, and beautiful parks. Amsterdam is a city that feels both historic and alive, where every canal, street corner, and building tells a story. But the Netherlands has another story to tell, one written in millions of colors every spring. Just outside Amsterdam lies a place where flowers transform the landscape into a dreamlike world, Keukenhof Gardens. Located in the town of Lisse, about 40 kilometers from Amsterdam, Keukenhof Gardens is one of the most famous flower gardens in the world. Every spring, for only a few weeks, this incredible park opens its doors and welcomes visitors from around the globe. During this short season, more than 7 million flower bulbs bloom, creating a breathtaking display of tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and many other spring flowers. The history of Keukenhof goes back to the 15th century, when the land was part of a large estate belonging to a Dutch castle. The name Keukenhof means kitchen garden because the area was once used to grow herbs and vegetables for the castle kitchen. The modern Keukenhof garden was created in 1949 when a group of flower growers and exporters decided to build a showcase where Dutch flower growers could display their beautiful varieties to the world. Since then, Keukenhof has become a symbol of the Netherlands and its famous flower industry. Walking through Keukenhof feels like entering a living painting. The gardens are carefully designed with colorful flower arrangements, peaceful pathways, ponds, bridges, and beautifully landscaped areas. Every corner offers something different. Some sections feature classic Dutch tulips, while others showcase rare and unique flower varieties with unusual colors and shapes. The tulip is especially important to Dutch culture. Although tulips originally came from Central Asia and were introduced to the Netherlands centuries ago, they became deeply connected with Dutch identity. Today, the Netherlands is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of flowers, and Keukenhof represents this incredible tradition. Keukenhof is not just an outdoor garden. Outside the garden, the surrounding region becomes a spectacular landscape of flower fields. During the blooming season, huge areas around Lisse are covered with rows of vibrant colors stretching across the countryside. Many visitors rent bicycles or take special tours to explore these fields and experience the beauty of the Dutch flower region. Keukenhof is a destination for everyone. Families enjoy the colorful surroundings, photographers capture endless views, and nature lovers come to experience one of the most beautiful signs of spring. The best time to visit is usually from late March to mid-May, when the flowers are at their peak. Since the garden is open for only a limited period each year, it attracts millions of visitors during the spring season. Inside the park, visitors can explore several indoor flower pavilions, where growers display special collections and creative floral arrangements. Each pavilion has its own theme, showing different types of flowers and artistic designs. These exhibitions highlight the skill, creativity, and passion behind Dutch flower cultivation. One of the most fascinating parts of these showcases is seeing the incredible variety of tulips. Some have traditional cup-shaped petals, while others have unique shapes with fringed, double, or artistic patterns. The range of colors is extraordinary, from deep reds and purples to soft pastels and almost pure white blooms. The pavilions also feature artistic floral arrangements, where flowers are combined with creative designs, creating beautiful scenes that feel like living artwork. Every display is carefully planned, making each visit feel fresh and different from year to year. For photography lovers, these indoor galleries are a paradise. The controlled lighting, vibrant colors, and detailed arrangements provide countless opportunities to capture the beauty of Dutch flowers up close. The indoor exhibitions are not just about displaying flowers, they tell the story of innovation and passion behind Dutch horticulture. Skilled growers spend months preparing their flowers, carefully selecting the best varieties and creating displays that highlight the beauty and character of each plant. While the outdoor gardens show the grand scale of nature, the indoor showcases reveal the skill, creativity, and dedication of the people who make the Netherlands one of the world's most famous flower destinations. Amsterdam and Keukenhof together show two different sides of the Netherlands. Amsterdam represents the country's history, creativity, and urban charm, while Keukenhof reveals its natural beauty and connection with flowers. From historic canals to endless fields of tulips, the Netherlands offers experiences that stay in memory long after the journey ends. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful journey through Amsterdam and Keukenhof Gardens. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing places with me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next travel adventure. More beautiful destinations and travel stories are coming soon. See you in the next journey.